Right, good afternoon, guys. What better day to open boxes than on, Boxing Day itself? This is already my third box of Spectra Soccer, but unfortunately, the first two boxes have only yielded one new autograph addition to the collection. The rest of the five autograph hits were of footballers that I've gotten before, either in person or from other products. So hoping for a little Christmas luck here, or rather post-Christmas luck. How's everyone doing this Boxing Day or Christmas Day, depending on which time zone you're at? Okay. So there you go, one box of 10 cards. I'll try my best not to tear out the box here. Yeah. Alright, so let's get this over and done with. First up with the base. Big Bjarnason, not numbered. Followed by Sinat Lulic. And right away we cut straight to the jersey hits. This is next era. Marco Verratti. 136 of 199. And then a Sergio Ramos jersey. 1 of 125 from swatches. And the next one's pretty nice. My third Ginger Fractor. This is Christian Fuchs. Well, this is obviously a patch, maybe of his number. And this should be an Austria jersey rather than a Leicester one. So this should be numbered to 10. Alright, 3 of 10. Too bad it isn't 5. That would be his jersey number. So it's a 3 of 10. Now on to the autograph hits. First autograph. Not bad a signature at all, but I've gotten him before already in Donruss. So this is Stefan de Vrij. Jersey. Auto. 31 of 149. And then a Kim Kallstrom, another one I've gotten before already from Europrism. 72 of 99. And the third autograph, also very disappointing, because I've also gotten him before in person and from Black Gold. But this time around, this is a better signature than the one I got in Black Gold. This is Santi Cazorla. 93 of 199. So you know what, this could very well be my last box, to have only one new autograph edition out of a possible of 9 autographs. It's a little disappointing in terms of odds. And the remaining 2 cards, we have a Serge Aurier, Ivory Coast, die cut. This is a purple die cut, 30 of 35. And a Manu Neuer, 32 of 75. So is it time for me to finally break Select Soccer 17-18? Now seems to be a good time, although I might just try Nobility again. So this is a rather short video because the autograph hits are really nothing to shout off. The pick of the bunch is really this one, the Ginger Fractor, gold or orange, Christian Fuchs, patch. Alright, so I'll end this video here and I'll come back later with Basketball Prestige, Basketball 16-17. So I'll see you then.